Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's do it. Today we are doing Exploratory Data Analysis. So it's a EDA topic. So actually I've taken today no last time I've taken kidney diseases. So let's take it and run it. Okay, I guess it'll take time. My network is slow. Damn. Oh, I'll do okay. It runs. Now I'll take kidney diseases, and there's a herd. This is two, and in previous lecture, I did this EDA HR analytic, but today we are doing HR chronic data analysis. So it's a Kubernetes CSV file. So whenever you take any file, but take only CSV file, not zip file or any other random folder. So we have already taken this. Let's okay, it's already done. Okay, let's run this. Works. That's import panda, and that's a libraries import panda numpy and p import Seaborn as that is used for plot graph any graphs import warning. Okay, it runs last time. I'll put this signify in this, and that's a command we run while using our file, like before any other command. We have to put the command like this, like we have to define a df. Like if we define df, then all other commands, I mean what we will take in future, they will all run. But if we did not define this without df define, okay, let's uh, not like this. We uh, okay, we did this, and okay, like invalidate syntax. That's not a syntax we use in collab PyTorch. Okay, now if we are putting this is equal to that's a right syntax. If in other cases, like I said before, if you are not like whenever you have like uh, like not because many times we have seen def is not defined. That's because whenever you run this software, not in collab, uh, 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 the you open this after many days. uh, Actually, yes, it is the main reason. uh, that's why df is not defined, like, but now it is okay. uh, Dictate, like this is df.info, and this is all the information what we have in csv file, and what is the column. That is the column, and we import here pandas at pd. This is same step what we did before, but here the we define here dot drop uh, id axis is equal to 1 and in place this for like uh, like I mean, what we are doing right now, that's a drop uh, command. So when we are doing this, it is actually happen. Okay, that's same step, but here def dot columns like if you are using this column but you want you want some other like your name here, your something, your friend name, your friend age, your friend baby, your friend sugar level, I mean if you need uh any like name or something like this, like put um name as a sure. Okay, sorry. Okay, comma. Okay, now this is a running command. Okay, what we have, mismatch 29. Okay, this mm-hmm. How did it? Okay, I guess name we can put name. Okay, like we run this. Okay, now it is now available here name. Now I like whatever you want to put, like you can put here like whatever you want. Okay, now that's a describe what you have now in a column, that's now available in here. Like you can filter here, click here the right side and you can, like this is a column, like in filter there is a uh, there you can put information whatever you want, like age to which age and sugar level to this, and BP name. I like you can do this for like a play game. Okay, like and this is data, and you can this like float an object. Here you can see in front of name there is a float. Name is float and age is float, BB and all some of them are like objects. And okay, like def is dot unique. Uh, we take here as age dot unique. So that's here in column we are taking age. So now this is all what is age uh, are telling us about. uh, so now hashtag due to some string volumes in the column, it's on the object column, but I say still you. Okay, I want to cover to numerical value. So now we are putting like to numerical. So this is a command we use, pd dot to numeric. Now we actually this is uh, same same but different command, like at half you did you can use this command same, but after that you'll take some like error. For errors you can use this command. So after that you have seen output like this, and like okay, the, right, that's it. And now uh, check the age type, like this command for useful, like checking every step, every uh else every, it's up to you whether you check or not, but for professional tips we can use like this every command, like for age, for bb, for any other things. Okay, if you are using age, then use every command at every step. Like for age, we use d type, we use column, we use unique and column in every step. Like if we will use like bp, then we use the same type, same like steps, like step 1, step 2, step 2 or is like df for bp, you can put here as a bp and dot dip type. This is step 2 and this is our step 3. We can already define age, and then that's a this here's a age. So for unique dot unique, this command for like you can just simply remember this step 3, you can use as a step 3 whenever you use any command. You you check, will check every after every command, you can put the type unique and column. So now df dot columns allow like this column. So now this command for red cells, red blood cells, but there is a column name red cells. So we have taken red cell rc is equal to pd dot to numerical. This is the same command we have taken before, but for df red cells. So this is actually a same command, like you can practice like this. So okay, like this same uh, uh, same as this, but for white cells, white blood cells is equal to pd dot to numerical numeric bracket df blah blah blah. Okay, now like what I said before, whenever you're using any command, you can just put and check step by step. Step 1 is command, main command. Step 2 is unique. Step 3 is data. Step 4 is column. And whatever you want to add any step, like df dot describe, df dot describe bracket include is equal to all. Okay, now this is the type for what we have taken command for, let's say, like we like I just want to add one command, like what is that? That is uh, describe. Okay, now we Okay, this display one. Okay, this you can I did add this command as a step 5, and for only for practice. Now it's up to you whether you add or not. Okay, so like I want to add one more step like that is describe df dot describe. Okay, okay. So it's a wrong spelling. Describe. Okay. Describe. INCLU include, and that is the command. Okay, like you can see, I've written two commands, that is df.describe and df.describe include all. Like I can like for practice I can uh, include one more command, that is uh, okay df dot shape, that is the uh, sixth command we have taken. So you can practice like this in every command, in every main commands. Whenever you are using that commands, you can put every step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. You can use this command for your practice while you are plotting graph or any bar plot or SNS dot schedule or anything like simple graph like bar things. And okay, it's okay like this some different one this is cat cat like colon is equal to a bracket call for colon def dot column if def call not data is equal to the object. That is command we use for you can see here uh use okay, we use this as a simple info that like you can see here if we use this command. Okay, something is wrong. I guess this yes, yes. This is a information, but that is command we use in collab or for programming. So this is the info what we have in a column, that is these things. I mean here and left side of your hand you can just practice see there. Okay, these are the things when you are using cat call is equal to this command, and same for num dot call and for an object. Okay, if you use this like I did not mention here, but I can simply like this. Okay, something I do stupid things. Okay, this is the command like same for what we have seen here like num dot call. This I practiced before when I uh, learned this whole command. Like you can practice like this whenever you want, just so simply. Like we like did see here what we like use whenever you want to use or not when you want to not use or okay, just kidding, part of joke. Like, and this is a num call, and okay, yes, this means that after cat call, before uh, cat call, you can say apply for num call. So for call in catalog call, this same like after that same for like we are using this print in Python also, in what's called in every Python step. So put print, that's actually a for loop concept. Okay, print f action call as a, what we have now is define a df for call. Now on dot unique, if we like apply a unique, then what will happen, then let's see, value is n, and then you can simply do this. Like you can see, this is sugar level has a normal abnormal value, and RBC okay, like let's play a little bit of, if we use shape, no, info here, then it's an, and let's see, okay, there's a thing that okay, that I don't like, mm, okay, it is like unusual thing. I didn't do anything like it on this. Like, if we use shape here, like let's see, okay, wow, it's like you can, I mean, but what you are doing is now we take describe. Now let's see. Oh wow, that's mind blowing. This is appet as a good, good, blah blah blah. Okay, name appet, okay, full p, no, yes, blah blah blah, no. Okay, and for any has no, blah blah blah. Okay, as for classification, CKD, blah blah blah. Okay, that's you can simply play for with your commands like this. I can put like unique, or you have um put it before unique. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, that's that's you can, yes. Why we did take this for a reason, that is for these values, for n values, like if like TNO, TNS, TNO for an for T, CKD, T. Okay. These are the value. That's why we did use this command. Value for n dash. Let's see why we used for. After that command, if we are not interested for this dash, then we will remove by using this command, like like this use command, like df for df for dm, I mean dm, DM has yes, no, yes. Here yes, no, and yes is okay, but I don't want to use T and no, T yes. I don't want these two commands or reply. I just want to remove that thing. So simply I put define for dm dot replace for to replace is equal to yes is equal to yes. Uh, Now this is okay, but still this is a proper pro syntax. So command. So now this is the main stuff. Now here is the uh, spelling is T dash ts. I want to use that dash ts. I just simply want yes. So I just simply write yes here for dash t no. So I just want dash t no is no. So now we block this after these two replace. Now colon in place is equal to true. In place is thing we this boolean step value we take normally for a command like this, like for a proper command. Like let's see what happened now. This is a command, but we did not mention df dot df colon also df bracket colon dm dot unique. So I can simply simply take the this command after this command, like I like another code because you can understand easily. I can I mean I can put this command here also. Wait, uh, now I can I'll take simply df bracket run dm close dot unique. I mean that's a simply command I've used here. uh, that's where up output will be visible here, none other than this. Like let's see. Okay, this is our output. Yes, no, yes, none, and n. Okay, like if we did not use before, this command will be like this. Okay, that's our collab dot research software will telling us that is the correct command, but you're not using execution command. That is the execution command. Your execute, that means you will execute after putting this command. That let's see. That's that will be our output. Like I did take another code colon because of you can understand easily which command is after which command I will be putting what command. That is the, I mean, simple way to understand easily. Like this is like more confusing, and chaotic way to understand. I hope you you will understand. I'm not using here. I'm good with it. Okay, this is the same command df bracket or cad not is equal to df. I mean cad is here. Cad has no yes and t no. Okay, this is a t no, and I don't want to put Tino here because I want only no. So let's see how I didn't manage to remove Tino. Like okay, will uh, say like you can simply look here. Like I'll put the same but not copy paste uh, cad dot replace to get replace uh, is equal to yes well no sorry no this is yes, and after this simply we can use this and like this, and this is this for yes command. So now we use full t no ts. Yes, there is no ts, but um we let's see we use ts, then what will happen. uh Now it's for ts, right? So we simply write ts here. Like now this is no, this is a tino dash tino, and now we are using here the okay sorry, this is wrong dash tino. No, it is now perfect, but we are using something wrong, that's why here's the right one. um that and see okay sometimes it's happen when you are not using full command that and that software that syntax need, then you'll face that error, face that warnings, and sometimes it's face that nothing. I mean it. Okay, now here is a comma. Now we are using boolean value in place.
Pass u is equals to
Okay,
plus u is
something.
equals
So here is the boolean value is equal to true. Okay, one thing I'll let you know about theory. We are using like this way. Whole command is right. Every step like define for um cat dot replace to bracket to replace for replacing something that you want, like your name to which like this is a cat, that's why cat is at destino. That's why we are using yes no yes no. If you have any other things like your name, age, pp, sugar, and any anything you want to put here, and you want to convert that thing to what you want. So you simply put commands like this, but here what are using wrong thing. Like we are putting this command here and run. It's gives a error. However, whole commands is right, but the true name true is not defined. True is defined, but a true is a boolean value. That boolean will come from capital T. If we use like this at true or false, if we like write false, false same like before true, uh, uh, same as false. Whenever you are using boolean values, only we have to use uh, capital word first and then use small words. We are using true, and you are using true or false, we use like this. That's a correct syntax and a correct commands. I don't know which program thing is like this. I literally, I know. That's the understanding of way you understand. This is the same as before, like what I explained to you guys. Like whenever you want to put your command to another code, you can. But if want here the implementation execution command, then you can put here like this to here and implement it. Okay, but we are not using this. So same as this, this is the implementation command and this is the execution command in another code colon. Okay, like now we use like yes, no, sorry, no, yes, and n. Okay, like we did the great job. You can proud of yourself. Okay, like okay, there's something is missing, right? That's 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 no. We have not seen no here because no is here in our this command, right? T no, but we can convert dash no into a simple no, like yes or no, but we have not seen dash no or even no, so only an after yes or no, like this, no, yes, and n. Like what we have mistake here is nothing but the thing like no. uh, let's see what is happening here. I don't even understand. I mean, let's see. Let's play with code. Sometimes I don't understand why are we using programming. I mean, uh, I don't like it. Okay, this command now we execute it. So this is a way we have seen before, like array and this no, yes, no. Now I don't understand. I don't get it even. Okay, let's see. Okay, you can simply like simply like this uh like you can simply put here this, and yes, that's the correct way. Sometimes you your after your execution command like and this like have used this, and what will the output this, like sometimes you have frame output like this, and something yeah I have output like this, like this I have seen output like this before here, but now I have seen like this. Sometimes it's commonly, I mean, it's usually happen in for programming languages for a coder for a in a CSA background. So you can simply take as a normal way. Okay. Now next command is for classification. That's same replacement uh, uh, command like dash for t ckd I mean for classification only. We have like take ckd full t, and I don't want ckd dash t. I only want ckd dash t as a normal ckd. So we replace first of all we have to define a df classification of classification is equal to df is equal to, I mean def of a classification for dot replace from which value ckd dash t to convert to ckd. So same okay, and this is a replacing value ckd dash t to ckd, and now after that command df classification defined the same way as before. Now uh, uh, this here to here, this is the same step we did before. Now we are using dot map same like but for value. Now we want value of ckd 1 and values are not ckd 0, and now like we used like df classification here, I mean here like not yes, df classification we used here, but before many times we use implementation command main command here and execution command in the next column. But here is a I use a three of this command in a one column. So don't worry, this is I mean way too good. Let's this is the 0 1 2 3. This is the serial number, and this for 1 1 1 which one is 1 and which one of these are zeros. That's a binary binary in okay, you understood. Oh, good. Now the same for in the next colon for execution command, the same output as before like this, but we did use in another column. So code I mean it is there is no difference we use here or in that same implementation and execution command. You can use like this, or maybe use like this. It's up to you. I mean, it's up to uh, software, whether you are using collab research, you use something like this, whatever you want. I mean, it's up to you whether you use in the same code or in another code. Uh, Online collab.research, it's something like this. So there are other software like VS Code and uh, Cursor and Jupyter Notebook. You can use same way as there, but in Cursor and VS Code, you can simply put like this. And there's no like another colon in a gap between first implementation and execution. You can simply put command like this: implement command and main command and execute command. So in VS Code you can see like this, like there's I've not downloaded yet. So wait, like you can see, you can simply do for like any command you're using, like dev speak, listening, and any other commands, like what you are making, like what you are working on a project, or you're, I mean, whatever you are practicing or revision. In VS Code you're using something like this, in a one syntax, in a one command line. But if we talk about this our, I mean, wait. Yes, if we are using a collab, we see something like this syntax and command line. You use sometime in another columns, and you use maybe something like this, but it's up to you. So moving on to the next command, that is no, and that's sorry, we did it before. So that's unique. I mean, not for unique bracket. That is nothing but same for like this. What you have use? We have used one or zero. We did this in a one column. That's I will remove that. So we have used 1 and 0, so that's why array 1 and 0 is here. What we did here for same, we did same step for two times, but one for dot replace uh, ckd dash t into ckd, and another for same step but for map ckd for 1 and 0 for not ckd. And now like you can see, you could have also first place and then map. That's a way of remembering thing easily and simply. You can remember thing like what is the step 1, what is the step 2, what is the step 3. Like I've told you, like step 1 is shape, step 1 is the main command, step 2 is the unique, step 3 is the step 2 is the dot unique, step 3 is the I mean, you can simply use dot shape. You can simply step 4 is the uh, dot describe. What is the step 5 is the you can simply use here dot describe include all. It's up to you whether you are practicing revision, you are focusing on your project. It's depend. Okay, now moving on to the next step is the uh, same here. This is the same step we did before. Like if you remember, for calling cat call for num in num. I mean for calling numcat like we did before here. Like for cat and it is simply I mean that time, yes, has df call dot unique. Now you can simply put in here. After unique you can simply play with code like a dot shape, dot describe, include all dot info dot. I mean there are a lot of things to do. You can play with the code and simply uh, see thing and just go with the flow. Yes, that's the main thing we are um, uh, reached into a milestone. Like you can simply see this step. This is a code we use for plotting a graph, plotting a bar plot, or for uh, predicting something, for predicting your budget, for predicting stock market, for predicting next move, what is the next move of the stock, what is the next move of the next budget of the year. It's you can just predict after using machine learning code like this. But this is the code for us for age and frequency, because I'm using a uh, actual coding data analysis that's why we are uh, that's why you are taking this age and BPN sugar. It's up to your data whether you are using stock data or using budget data. You're using budget of the year, month of the year, budget month of the year. It's up to your data. It's depend whether you are using the right way or something like this. Sometimes we are uh using like this, like I'm using plt dot like yes, before that explain these things, I'll explain this. What is this? These are the libraries where we are imported, like import. We use import because import import libraries mean Matplotlib dot pyplot is the library, and plt is the short form. Same as this import what Seaborn as SNS is used for plotting graph, same as Matplotlib dot pyplot as a PLT. This is Seaborn as SNS. So this is the plot uh, plotting a graph program. So let's bring it on. Yes, yes. Now, firstly, you are doing this without knowledge. First, it is don't know this. So, PLT is the plot. Plot of a figure. This fixed size. Figure size. What you are using figure size. What you will use figure size, and what you did use figure size depend on you. Size, maybe size will reduce, or maybe size will increase. It's up to you. You can play it. Okay, I simply use 706 for lantern width as soon as dot his plot. His plot means plotting a graph. His means this is a command we used in the past, like dist. Like that was the old command. Now we are using HIST, and this is a new command, upgraded software for new commands. So now define for age the bracket define for age dot drop na there this is a command that define what we are defining a plot for a whole as in a one line. So color is equal to sky blue. Oh, I mean it's up to you whether you are using sky blue, red, blue, purple, maroon, green, red. It's up to you. I did. I like sky blue instead. Plot for plot title. What we are using is plot, and what we are using for title is this pro of age, and plot for x label is age, x y label is this is nothing. You can ignore uh, ignore a label and label. I mean label is, yes, label is a command, and x is y is like horizontal and vertical. If you are remember things in math, you can simply something like in a horizontal you can simply there is a x or y, uh, okay, and in vertical there is a minus and minus x and y. So we did here in x label age there is a age defined, and in y label there is a frequency. Plt dot show, we can use plt dot show is a execution line, and these are the implementation command main commands, but but this is the command for execute the program. So yes, we use this, or maybe sometimes you use plt dot legend. It's up to you. So for age, let's see how it will show something like this. Yes, that's my program. Okay, like this. We use like this plot, and it's the old version. uh, we did use this in the old version, but we are using now is a his plot, HIST plot. What like we have seen something like this, like execute. It's a old version of collab.research, but it's now upgraded. Now we have seen graph in a 3D, I mean in 2D. So something like this. So it is a better way to understand transparency much better. Like this y level, a y, and this is a uh, x label. Label means label 60, 80, 100, this labeling, and x and y is that age and frequency. uh Now what is the insights? Now get try yourself like this one or two times. Filter dot figure fix and this as an his plot dfa age drop now. KD you must use KD it is a boolean values. uh Maybe maybe uh you don't want to use this thing before, but you must use this part. This is the main syntax command for every command, like what we are using is age, and instead of age. This is another advanced, little advanced beginner thing, but you use something like this before. That means 20 and color. Okay. Okay, moving on. Next step is insight. What are the insight? Age is left, secure data, and something. Okay. Well, okay. Df column. In every step, what I said is, uh, we check something like this. What is the df columns? What is the df unix? What are the df um, info? What are the even unique? Oh, oh, like there's the error. I mean, we did not define like for the for which, like uh, for classification, for BP, for sugar, for which value, for which string, like for BP, uh, uh, like some you can something like this. You can check for the for info. I mean, it's a step I would prefer to use and play with these things. This is a much better way to practice your codes. Yes, another thing is SNS. Means you can maybe uh, import Seaborn as SNS. Sorry, I didn't know it's something ASS. Okay. SNS dot count like, yes, we can use something like this. Maybe you can uh, use much better. You can much better way. I mean, same step, but for value count. Um, Value count. Yes, for this value count. This is all you can add your add step for your revision for your I mean your practice, whatever you want. You can do this as a practice way. So this is a much better way to understand things you don't understand. I mean, SNS dot count plot dot count plot. So count plot. So for BP, plotting XNS is sorry, HTN. So we are taking HTN, not BP. So axis HTN data is defining a data from which from which data, for which data, that is